Hi Natalia here. I'm doing a whole bunch of fussy cutting, so I thought I would do a little tips and tricks on how I fussy cut for those people that aren't super familiar with it or don't really enjoy it, or maybe don't have the best technique. So to start with, have a good pair of scissors. I absolutely love EK Success Cutter Bee scissors. They have a really nice sharp point on them, and they have like comforty bits in the handle. It's sort of rubbery, so it's quite nice to work with. My second tip is to not cut out, if you're cutting out from a sheet, don't cut out the thing from the sheet. Cut out a bit first, so take it down to size. So I'm going to cut out this bit here, make it smaller. So instead of cutting, for example, along this with it's attached to everything, I'm just going to make it smaller and it's much easier to manage. My next tip is to, instead of moving my scissors around, I'm going to move my paper around. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to start by showing you very awkwardly, because I can't do it very well. I'm turning my scissors, and I find this really almost impossible, to be honest with you, because I'm just so not used to doing it. You can see I have to turn my wrist around quite a long way, quite awkward and quite uncomfortable. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my paper and hold my scissors still. I rest my elbow on the desk, my wrist is just in the air a little bit, and then that means that I don't have such an annoying posture change and I can sit quite nicely. It also allows me to be a bit more delicate with my cutting, more control over what I'm doing. My other tip, my fourth tip, is once I get to kind of like along this sort of length, I will usually snip off that excess bit of paper so I don't have that making things more awkward for myself. So always try and take away the excess paper before you carry on. Here we go. That is how I fussy cut. Hopefully this helps some people to maybe have a go at fussy cutting, maybe adjust their technique a little bit, and find a new love for fussy cutting like I do, because I just love fussy cutting. Thanks for watching, everybody. See ya.